Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves and this is Reeves Point of View. I want you to understand this. Your lawyer cares, but it's still a business. I know I talked a lot before about passion and purpose and cases not being winnable, but I've kind of given an overview where I've said at the end of the day, it's all about being a business. And this is why it's important to understand. I joke, and you probably heard me on other videos saying lawyers are at their core, they're still business people and they're not in the business of giving money away. It's important to understand that because I have seen countless attorneys find themselves in a position where they've had to make the decision that it is no longer in their financial interest to remain with a client. Now that could be for a variety of reasons. It could be because the client disappeared and hasn't been responsive. It could be the client is not being cooperative with the things that they need them to do. It could be that they stopped paying them. But it's amazing the number of times I used to hear people call me on the phone grumbling about this, and I used to tell them, you have to keep in mind, think of it like your doctor's office. When you don't feel well, unless it's a medical emergency, when you go to the doctor's office, when do you see the doctor? After two things happen typically. What? Either one, you've paid your copay up front, or two, you've paid your visitation fee up front. You don't get access to that doctor until those things happen. And you're like, but that's different. No, it's not. Even though they are providing you a medical service, the medical is their profession. Service is their business. In order for them to be able to provide you the service, they have to charge you. Same thing. Somebody here, the guy's a mechanic, great mechanic, or maybe it's a young lady, she's great at putting in transmissions. If she tells you this is how much it's going to cost, she wants to know, are you going to be able to pay it? You going to pay it? You good? Okay. She's not going to put a transmission in your car just because you are a nice person. A mechanic is what she does for a living, but her auto repair business is a business. So it's important for you to understand that when you are looking to hire an attorney, that if they make certain decisions along the way that may result in them deciding that they're no longer going to engage with you, or maybe because of the costs they need to realign, you have a renegotiation of the contract to ensure in terms of you paying them, that's not done. That's not personal. It's the reality is at the end of the day, just like you need to support your family, they need to support theirs. And so I often tell people, lawyers are business people and they run law firms. They are in the business of making money, not giving money away. So keep that in the back of your mind when you wonder and you say to yourself, they don't care about me. They would have stayed in my case. They want to stay in your case, but remember, they're in the business of making money. So if they can't make money because maybe you're not doing the things that you can to assist them, or it's become aware to them that now they are not in a position to be able to make money off your case, don't take it personal. It's only business. Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves. If you like my content or have any suggestions, please let me know. And by all means, make sure you share. The only way I can get my word out is you help me get the word out as well.